What do you want?
Sorry, Fettis. I didn't mean to make you jump. Not that there's anything wrong with jumping, of course. It sort of runs in the family. Or jumps in the family. Depending on which way you...
Seriously though, what do you want?
Want?
Go on, tell me just how ugly I am.
Ugly?
There, feel better?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hang on. Do you mind if I hop off and come back on again? I mean, have a word with yourself, Fettis. Who am I to call you ugly? Look at me. There, see? I mean, connect the dots. If we're talking ugly, they don't come much more aesthetically challenged than me. I know what your trouble is. You've been treating yourself too much.
What do you mean?
You got down in the mouth. Oh, I'm getting nothing here. Nothing. Come on, give us a smile.
I want to be left on my own.
Now that's just downright antisocial. Hang on. I've got a human in my throat. Oh, well. Work with you people. That's more like it. I know how you feel, but you mustn't let it depress you. I started out as a blob of jelly, and it's been downhill ever since. I say to myself, I'm just a handsome prince of frog's clothing, and one day someone's going to come along, kiss me to release my inner beauty. Then I say to myself, and get real, who wants to kiss a frog? You know what our trouble is?
No.
Our image isn't in vogue. That's all. It's a question of taste. But you mark my words. One day, ugly will be in. Your lily pad. Each silly fad will pass. Then will fall flat on their ass. Your mother was. Fashion is a big thing. Just you wait and see. The day comes when it's style. And there run out there. Someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Your sandal. Out there. Just around the corner. In amongst the corn. Someone's gonna fall. Thank you, ladies. Go on. They will be glad. Just in my if this little frog could go wooing, time you had to wake up. 'Cause out there somewhere someone's gonna love ya. Horse and dog. Tell 'em, kids. You know it. We don't know where. Someone who somewhere out there. We don't know where. It's gonna fall for you. Just think whenever you stand. One day you'll stand. It's always though it may take time when you know why. 'Cause out there someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. One day open roosting, I'll be roosting with the mates. So it may take time to find out when you can go out there
Goodbye. And if you ever find yourself near the junkyard, do call in. I'd love for you to meet my family.
Well, I hope you find them all right. Stay warm, stay cheerful. See ya.